Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार प्रेजेंट करूं. And we were talking about this also last time. आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था transformation मुश्किल?
I think it was very different, as you said, that it's not me in real life. So, to physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set and used to help me before the shooting began, how to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud, but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman Bhai who really inspired. For 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that, this is a film that you need to change yourself, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that, many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have two opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको.
But it's worked well,
कब
sir.
रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
To transformation. Could you tell us something on that?
Sir, the film is different. The character was very different. So I just wanted to justify being a part of this movie. So that's why it was about a change of 2 years. I had to change myself, put on a lot of weight. Actually, it was almost like going back to the drawing board post Love Yatri to play Raulia on screen.
जो आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि आपको सलमान जी के सामने शर्टलेस होना है और वो भी शर्टलेस होकर फाइट करनी है, तो क्या कुछ चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में?
सर, मैंने पहले हार मान ली थी. मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी टेंशन के मारे. और कभी ऐसा मतलब स्क्रीन में तो बहुत बार जब सलमान भाई की शर्ट उतरती है तो सीटी मारी है. अभी बहुत डर लग रहा था कि मैं उनके सामने खड़ा हूँ. और यूजुअली हमेशा प्रे करते हैं आप कि जब सलमान भाई फाइट करेंगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा. इस बार पिटने वाला मैं हूँ. तो मुझे डर बहुत लग रहा था. और आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैंने भाई को सेट पे मिला था तो मैंने कहा भाई थोड़ा जस्ट गो इजी ऑन मी, बिकॉज मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं इस टाइम इस मोमेंट में सलमान भाई के सामने खड़ा हूँ.
सलमान जी, आप कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं कि
हाँ, कि बहनोई को मारते नहीं, ब्रदर इन लॉ पे हाथ नहीं उठाते. और जब ये आए थे फर्स्ट टेक के अंदर तो भागते हुए आए फुल जोश के अंदर और पंच मारा. तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं भाई, ये इसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, यहाँ पर तुमको मारना ही पड़ेगा. तो फिर इसके महेश, हाँ, इसके करीबन 14-15 टेक हो गए. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये पूरी पिक्चर में होते रहेगा.
Ayush, you were scared to hit.
सर, मैंने साइड में बोला था गाड़ी रेडी रखना. गलती से हाथ इधर उधर हो गया तो मैं डायरेक्ट भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ जाऊंगा.
हाँ, तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे.
बट तब तक थोड़ा शांति से हो जाएगा. बट बहुत डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत जैसे सडनली बताया था कि आके भाई को पंच करना है. तो आई थिंक भाई इज वेरी काइंड. तो रियल लाइफ में तो काफी स्वीट होते हैं, बट जब आप ऑन मूवी सेट में देखते हो दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आप सलमान खान के सामने खड़े हो और आपको उनको पंच मारना है. सो आई थिंक दैट डे थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन टाइप हो गया था मुझे.
Hi, Ayush, Sana from Indian Express here. Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
As you rightly said कि डर लग रहा था, but given that Salman is there with you in this film, do you think it will work as an advantage because there's a certain section of audience that will definitely come to watch the film, or are you nervous because there would be comparisons and of course references?
Ma'am, for any actor, that's a different subject that I am related to him. But for any actor, it's a dream come true to be in a project that has Salman Bhai. For me, I am very lucky that I am on the poster as well. So I think it's a huge advantage as an actor to be working with him. There are certain things you learn while you are training, and there are certain things you learn while you're on set. And to be part of, I think most of his films have been so famous and they've been so popular. I think it's a dream come true for me to be a part of a movie that so many people, it reaches to so many people. So I can get the advantage of showing my work to a lot of people.
And Salman from
ये जो भी इन्होंने स्पीच दिया है, इसको संभाल के रखना. कुछ सालों के अंदर I told भाई not to do it, but he didn't listen only. Yeah.
Sir, you were not very critical of him ever. Sometimes is that zone there that family है, so I might be a little more extra critical in a scene.
बिल्कुल ही सर, बिल्कुल नहीं। सर जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है, पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में।
तुम्हारे पर आए हैं सर को ज्यादा
कौन सा
गुस्सा?
सर? ये सर या ये सर?
मैं सर,
मैं सर।
मैं
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ। सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं क्या? आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take. Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because has to show a little
So
more?
I keep my criticality within myself, because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
You know,
Bhai is being modest, Bhai is very
I will say
critical about
something
it.
to him, he will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said, and Arpita said, what have you, then call Gumas around onto me. So, but he's a sensible boy. He knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place and he uses them as well. Padha likha chokra hai and good at heart. Abhi tak to.
My last
Hello,
question
hello.
is to
Sabina, just finish. Sorry,
the
I
last
interrupted you
question,
there.
the
Yeah,
last
please.
question to Ayush.
One second. She just finished off. Yeah.
Ayush, from playing a lover boy to villainous role, how was the transformation for you altogether?
I think, ma'am, it was more of a psychological transformation to do something like this. I never really thought that this second film I would have to play a character like this. But I think more than anything, Mahesh sir had written the film, which it was so beautiful that while I was reading the script and sir was doing my workshops at that point in time, it really started helping me psychologically to play the character. I wouldn't really say that the transformation of Raulia as a character from my first film is only physical. I think it's more of a mental thing that Mahesh sir has helped me in this movie.
आयुष जैसे मतलब घर में मतलब दामाद जो है वो बहुत पैम्पर होके मतलब रहते हैं, ठीक है, और मतलब जो खासकर मतलब बड़े साले साहब होते हैं, ठीक है
सर कभी घर तो आओ आप।
बिल्कुल। तो सलमान सर से आप मतलब कितने इंटिमिडेट मतलब रहते हैं, कितना लिहाज करते हैं, और कब मतलब किस मोमेंट पे उनके साथ फ्रेंडली मजाक भी करते हैं?
Sir, Salman Bhai is related to me, but more than anything, I consider him my own elder brother. He's a mentor to me. He has always guided me. जितना भी मुझे थोड़ी बहुत knowledge है films की, it's all thanks to him. हर बात पे एक respect रहती है because he's almost the elder brother who we always go back to. There's no denying the fact that Salman Bhai is a very integral part of our family, and at least in my life, he is a very big part of my family. So we always have to go back to him for even for small things. You want a mental approval because he has an experience that we don't
They
have.
come to me, I go to my father.
But I think the comfort level is always there to say what you have to say, but obviously with respect. I think there's no pride in disrespecting somebody because of whom you are where you are.